On top of ukugula, Musa doesn't even want to slow down, guys. Musa, have you ever listened to ama-diary sessions waka Musa? Hey, uMusa uyakhuluma. Lo baba lo, ayi. Musa uyakhuluma. Manje uri, o a batlang ho tsamaya, anke a siye bana ba ka, and ke batla le di-Mercedes Benz. You still remember those Mercedes Benzes were bought at the same time? Yes, back at the same time. Now Musa ore, ha o batla tsamaya, ai, o mphe Mercedes Benz ya ka, o mphe bana ba ka, o ka nna tsamaya. Kore ha ncenke. Musa a re yena ha sa batle ho ncenga anybody, and ha sa batle le go mamela anybody, because o re a ka se iphambili, a ka se bene le progress if a le busy a ntse a mamelana le batho. O re Makhumalo hana ngwana at this point in time because o mamela abantu. Ha nka ba sa mamela Maqele, ha nka ba a sa mo naganela gore, you know what, o Maqele o zothini if ke etsa ngwana, what batla nonsense eo ya go mamela. O batla etsa dilo, ha na taba gore di thabisa mang or a di thabisi mang, as long as ena le happy. A re ke nako ya go iketsa happy. Musa Musa ha a kgathale gore wa kula, guys. Musa ha a kgathale gore wa kula. Kore ha inaganele. Nna ne ke nagana gore Musa o tla nka dilo very easy this time around. A re, you know what, this thing ya number 5 it landed me in hospital. Let me relax. Let me take things easy. Ke mo phake hanyane, number 5 ke tla mo bona later. Musa a re, what? Ke a mo introduce. Ke a mo introduce whether like it or not. O batlang ho tsamaya ka nna tsamaya. Musa, guys, Musa o stubborn hle. Mayeni le Magwabe, they are matching his energy so well. They are matching his energy so well. Le Makhumalo these days are saying nonsense. Makhumalo, o tlo go photkantsha le very polite. Ha nke nonsense. Matla ba tlo mmona number 5. Ha ba tlo mmona, guys. Yo, ai. It's hectic. It's hectic. Ha Musa, ai ke mo tla bonang teng gore Sthembu se go batla o le strong. Sthembu se go batla o ntse o nwa grandpa now and then, o nwa grandpa because o ka se kgone. Ha o ka re o sheba head on like this without anything, o tlo tlhanya. I'm telling you, o kopane le Musa a le stubborn jwalo. A sa batle phela Musa according to the way di leng ka teng, Musa o batla gore everything e a e tjhong ba mo mamele. Ba se ke ba mo questiona, ba mamele anything and everything a e buang. Yo, ai. Musa a tse di-Mercedes Benz tsa gagwe. Lucky enough, he married ama-professionals. Bayasebenza mos, those women. Bayasebenza. Oh, lucky ke Makhumalo, o tla i-drivela BMW ya gagwe. Ha ile gore no dependile mo Mercedes Benz ya Musa, o itse gore you'll have to bring it back. O fe ntate Musa dikoloi tsa gagwe ha ile gore wena o batla o tsamaya. Yo, ai kunzima madoda. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Let's subscribe and like, and thank you so much. Bye.